Ko vari kuita vakadzi vakawanda ava vasina mari. What do you think about that?
I think yatongori shavere kuda kungoshungurudza vana vevanhu kuda kuvapa nhamo kuvashungurudza vane because inini hangu handimbodi kunyepereka kana kuti chii kana kuti chii kuita second wife I don't mind but you should provide for me honey.
You don't mind
should.
even kuita third or fourth or
yes
fifth?
as long as ukaisa kuzoita third or fourth zvazonyaisa but
From the heart of Zimbabwe to the nations of the world, voices are rising. Stories of resilience, stories of vision, stories of purpose. Welcome to the Voice Amplified podcast, where Zimbabwean excellence is celebrated, leaders are empowered, and destinies are awakened. This is more than a podcast. This is a continental movement.
Once again, welcome to the Voice Amplified podcast with your boy Ron WAYEZ and Pasaidi Pangu ne Pamu Pasaidi Pacho. These two beautiful ladies. Let the ladies introduce themselves. So we're gonna start with the lady on my left. You can go.
Hi guys, my name is truly Paida.
Okay, then on my right.
hello people, my name is NYLAH.
Hey! All right. It's been a long time since I had two ladies at the same time. So
Oh, the way you're saying two ladies at the same time.
in the studio. Ansanda
Okay.
pizza utaura.
Tell us come tell me what you gaga.
Okay. Pau gaga wajo, all right. We've got Paida, we've got Nyasha, and they are both my co-hosts on different shows. So anyway, let's dive into the story. Guys, what's up? What has been happening? Tell me the story. What's new?
Girl, you don't look at me.
Okay. Let's start with Paida. To make things easier, lighter.
Lately, the streets have been going crazy. There's a new Netflix series that's out there.
All right.
It's a South African series inspired by a Zimbabwean written novel. It's about polygamy. That's what's been everywhere. Wherever
is it
I
a
go, they're
Zimbabwean
talking
written
about
novel?
it. Yeah, the author is a Zimbabwean, but the producers and the actors are South Africans.
Was it written in Zimbabwe? Because I want to know, like, if it's from Zimbabwe.
It is a product of Zimbabwe. The
is a
author is
product.
actually Zimbabwean. Yeah.
How can you say it's a product of Zimbabwe? I mean, South Africans will want to know, like, okay, where was she? Was she born? Yeah, then went to Zim, got an ID, came back, and what's the story behind?
I would be lying if I say I know everything in detail about the author,
So
but
for
I
now-
just know
for-
that she is Zimbabwean.
I would love to think that the story was indeed, and it's solely based on South African context.
How do you mean? Are you saying that the author was inspired by the events happening in South Africa? Because if we look at polygamy, it's not a country-based culture. It is everywhere. So it could be in any setting from my thinking.
It was going to be difficult for her to actually, or the producer to actually get the right characters or personalities, the right crew for this job had it not been inspired by South Africa. Do you get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, I do. But from what I heard, they said Kutsi Akanyola, was it, I don't know how many years ago, was it, they said 5.
How long has she been staying in our country?
Honestly, we don't know. We don't know. Because now also I would love to know. We don't know Kutsi, was she born here? We don't know that.
Saka, you know already. But anyway, continue. Continue with your introduction of what has been happening. Yeah.
Yeah, this was up. You see people there on Twitter, you see people on Facebook and Instagram just saying, we don't want to get married anymore after watching this series. Have you guys watched that series?
Yeah.
Partially.
I didn't get to watch all of it, but I've had a glimpse and all I can say is, wow.
It's difficult for a lot of people to actually grasp that this is exaggerated. I mean, look at WWE, the wrestling
Yeah.
entertainment industry. It took a very long time before people started understanding that this is just for entertainment purposes. In as much as there is some true action happening, but it's thoroughly coordinated. So I think people get it wrong most of the times and end up saying, no, I don't want to get married and all that, which is crazy. I mean, it's just a movie. It's just a drama series. It's a what? It's a rom-com
series.
I don't know whatever it is. But shout out to the creators, shout out to the writer, because, I mean, people don't just go nuts or crazy over something that's just minor. It means it's big.
It is big.
Yeah, and the way you guys say it's really big.
Damn!
What are you guys talking about?
The series.
Okay.
It's amazing.
Okay, so tell us, if you were in Joyce's situation, what were you going to do, truly?
I wouldn't want to be, but...
Honestly, for me...
You never know. We are so unpredictable, so you never know, of course.
Now I'll just make peace with it.
You make peace with it?
Yes.
We know that for a fact that you are into polygamy. You don't care about it.
You don't mind, girl.
You don't mind.
And there's nothing wrong with it.
What I'm trying to say right now is good. Okay. Oh, Joyce, she had everything. Like everything. Of course, the man, she misbehave and all. Kana munhu asingachakudi anoita zvese just to push you away.
No.
But see, listen.
Varume have got the ability to love cards vakawanda. But anyway, it's okay.
Joyce she was just supposed to make peace with it. Good. Okay, fine. Murume ane mari. And this anokuda kuti vakadzi 500. It's okay. Who am I? Because even Solomon chaiye muBhayibheri akatozongo ita vavo menoma vakadzi vakawanda zvaiti iwo Joyce wakweshei zvako. Saka just make peace with it. Okay, fine. That's what you want. I'm not liking Mina. My kids are well provided for. They have everything. So, okay, fine. This is what you want. Let's just agree. Because to make a peace nemurume kutongo sangana naye nekuti okay, fine. It's okay. I support you.
So, are you saying that polygamy, in as much as it is judged by society, it can be justified by the ability of the men to provide?
Yes.
What do you think about that?
I think yatongorishapere kuda kungoshungurudza vana vevanhu kuda kuvapa nhamo kuvashungurudza because inini hangu handibodi kunyepereka kana kuti chii kana kuti chii kuita second wife I don't mind, but you should provide for me, honey.
You don't mind
should.
even kuita third or fourth or fifth?
Yes, as long as you guys kuzoita third or fourth zvazonyaisa bado.
But you know the thing with polygamy, if you become the second wife, there is no guarantee yakuti muchagara muri two. Might come another one and another one and another one.
You're right. Saka kudaro kutongochi. Okay, fine. That's what zvamuri kuda izvozvo. It's okay. He's providing for me. I'm the first wife. Dini Joyce ari kuprovidira. Ari kuda kuita vakadzi vake 28 vavo. Okay, fine, baby. This is what you want. It's okay. But munozvikwanisa here. Akati anozvikwanisa. Oh, it's fine. I mean, moreover, guy is rich. Come on. He is. Tisingachatyira zvirwere and whatever. Chetauzongotyira kuti achahakana nazvo. Achahakana nevadzimoni kuzo agondiunzira ndopanenda kungotyawo zvangu asi I don't mind because as long as isingalike vanhu.
Polygamy is biblical. Saka I think it's acceptable, and I wish.
Thank you.
I wish ladies would understand. Yeah, there is always a reason for every failure. If the monogamous approach fails, there should be an alternative. What is it? Which is polygamy.
Okay.
And it biblically zvaitoitika, and it was very normal. Pakaita dambudziko, maybe madam vaita busy, madam vatadza chakati, madam vadai. Zvinotenderwa kuti murume, as a man, you can go out there, get another partner. Yeah, and what I hate is an extramarital affair. I don't agree with extramarital affairs.
Extramarital affairs, are
That are
you saying
not-
of things
that are not-
involving my side chicks and everything?
Yes, things involving side chicks and all that. That's
If
not
you
proper.
check,
Introduce, if you have got a lady that you like and you think that she can, like, she's going to help in aiding your struggles or something, then allow that lady to come in and make it official.
Yes.
One. Kwete kuzviisa kuseri kwemba.
But hamusi kuzvigona kaizvozvo imi vana.
Hatisi kuzvigona, but what I would say is what we are doing right now is part of awareness that's going to change the whole narrative. Am I correct?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, you're right.
Yes! Do you know what it takes for women to agree with you? Kuti, you are right. Guys, you don't understand. Yeah, you're right. So basically, kudaira kwamaita, you agree kuti chinongodiwa kutaura. Otherwise, itaako.
Yeah.
Isn't it possible to just talk about it prior, before matombororana? Do you get to know kuti you are polygamous only after you're married?
I think so.
Only after you're married?
Yeah, because ningo it's on the promise.
Rinonyenga rinohwarara rinosimudza musoro
You'll be the
rawana.
only one. And futhi I don't think kuti nombo promise na but ndizvozvo kuti you only get to know wazorora. Tanini ndikutoda umwe wechitu.
All right.
Saka pakashata paya.
All right. Anyway, talking about what has been happening in the streets, polygamy is it's just that it's not officiated. I think it has to be part of the bill.
This lady recently put a video last week, so yemuna akavinga muna kamuzhambaradza akamurova moti. Akamurova mukadzi akamu ndakati neimwari. Kazi chii
Munhu akarohwa angaite sei?
Angadane murume wewe.
Angane nhumbi yoyo.
Angatone nhumbi.
Oh.
Enozozi chakaitika nje kuti first day akatora mubhebhe akabva nekupi kumba kwake. Saka kuti ndizoenda kumba kwemufesi andingatonzwa zvinhu zvochi handina mukadzi. Handisvike kumba kwako mukadzi wako ariko sha. Hazviite zvakadaro. Saka of course iye ugai you were supposed to man up orwira munhu wake. Because kwete kumusiya akarohwa mukadzi akarohwa.
But like we said the other time, I don't think people should fight for their partners, or I don't think people should fight against or fight the makwapenis. Small house.
But sure.
Yeah.
Small house,
side
but
chicks
sure.
and no, because I want this to be
There is a
like,
name, but...
there is a name that applies to both men and women. Chikomba. And I don't think it's right to fight Chikomba. Because Chikomba chokona chaka believe is. There are a lot of cases where you find men who were told by a lady kuti, I'm single. Why is that? I know kuti chibalance kuti mukomana oro murume aende kunorara kumba kwe mudzimai oro musikana. Asi sometimes unenge wave relaxed because munhu wako anenge akakubelievisa zviri bo. You get the sense kuti wapa level rekuti hausina uyo musoro mako you're so sure kuti hakuna umwe munhu ariko. You know, hakuna munhu anenge achimboda kuti adane nemunhu wekuti anenge ane umwe munhu anenge aripo somewhere. You get the sense. So wozoona iwe pazoita umwe munhu azodi azongoerekana abudikira iwo watoti ndaenda kudhini kwebhebhi rangu muri kutoita marose and petals mashampeni paya wozoona umwe hasita vari kutongobuda ka vari kuti ne usiri kuvhura door open this door why are you not opening this door waiziya wotoona ona tanga but munhu ndewangu ipapo ndo paunobva watanga kunyatso kugaya plan fast either uchabuda nepawindow kana kuti uchatoputisana nemufezi uyu but I don't think kuti I think we should train our minds kuti okay whatever happens if I find out kuti munhu wangu ndamubatikidza neumwe munhu ndofanira kunetsana nemunhu wangu. I don't know what you guys think.
Yeah, that's true. Because even lady vanoisa vakati, okay, kana wanga uri rambo wakadikura nemurume wako. Pane kuti akamurova vachimukika kuti abve nhumbu yakatakura iyoyo.
I think in whatever situation that you find yourself being betrayed by two people, check the one that is closest to you.
Your husband.
And address that one.
Because if I'm dating with your man, you don't come to me with shit roll that.
Apa pamazotirova zvinyu academic language but chimbonyatso kuitsanangura nechishona.
Tingati let's say Ron murume wangu.
Mwana wenyu amai.
This is an example kuti zviite easy. And then
let's say a weak nail is your husband.
Alright. Ndichage another way of rephrasing it. Ndisingaise mwana wamukati anozoita trauma. So ndikuti inini, let's say inini newe NYLAH. We are best friends. Iwewe ndobva ndaona kuti uri kudanana nemukomana wangu. Pakati pako nemukomana wangu, wandinofana kuadresa is the one who owes me a degree of loyalty.
Exactly.
Iwo ndakakura newe, uri family friend. You owe me some sort of loyalty.
Yeah, some sort.
Uyu mutoro wandakazongowa nawo akandibhilivhisa. Saka he can go. But ukama wangu newe atigeza nesipo. So I should come to you. What more when we are married now?
No, okay.
They are in a covenant.
Andoda kunzwisisa kuti zvinizvo iwewe ukuda kusema kuti chii. Asi maybe pamwe ndiri wrong. Angasikafani kunorova aisafanira kwa murume wake.
Aifana kunorova murume wake.
Exactly.
Kana kutonomubvunza because murume wake ndiyewo akaita covenant naye, ndiwo akaita mavows naye. Till death do us part. So the first person to approach is your husband. Ko takavimbisana chakati chakati tukurasika papi. The other lady, yes, so ari kuita zviri wrong. But in reality hakuowe that loyalty because mwana ari kubva kwaari kubva anotrainwa zvaanotrainwa umba kwawo, anewo character yakewo, so aungazvinzwisise panguva iyoyo uchimuti why wadaro. But your husband has to answer kuti azobva sei pazvinhu zvamakawirirana to be zvinhu zvamakawirirana to build osiya mumwe munhu achipinda pakati. So kuzonorova munhu ane nhumbu and everything, what do you think? Maybe I'm wrong.
You're right. And also I think vanonorwira maivavo muzvikomba or whatever. Ndivo vanhu vekutoti marriage dzina dziri kutonetsa. Vakutobatanidza. Because une mari shaishai izvozvo ati handifunga kuti ndingainonorwa negirlfriend yemurume wangu. Zviti.
Saka uri kuti ana mai guru vari kuenda kunorova ana mai nini avava.
Vakutoshamburova. Vakakondaka murume kacho. Aiwa.
Ndikati pabatwa munhu
apa. Ndizina basa inini. Andifunga kuti ndingatenda because notingomuti uyai mainini. Titambire. Tigamuchire. Mototi joina.
Guys, be real. Zvunzamutara zvinoitika.
Yeah, mira, ona. For inini ndakukupai muzamboro. Muzambo. Okay. Ndakukupa example.
Okay.
Anditi. Ukuona kana une bag. Ukuziva kuti iwe ndiwe madam epaden, 6-bedroom house ine upstairs ine lapa inonzi ine kuma swimming pool nema cottage kana 2 ina garden pagede utorarama life yako iri bo. Do you know kuti unenge uchitora paposition iri bo kuti utore mainini utovaisa paden pako iwewe. Mainini utovapa kucottage utoti aiwa mainini ane muruda murume ndewedu ine handingamugari nemurume uyu 24/7 because ndiri munhu. And the next step wobva unoita chi mudzimai uya tora mainini wovaisa chi padeni kana mainini vauya padeni time baba pavanombotsama paya ukambova bowa you go chi you understand. So I think semudzimai samai ndosaka uchiona kuti mabarika akudhara madzimai aitozovakira pamusha 1 wotoona pamusha pamai vaDonald wotoona pamusha pamai Frango wotoona pamusha pamai Admaya. You get what I mean? You have these 3 hearts dzinenge dziri pamusha. Pozoitwa imba yamai Ningi, imba yamai Ningi, wotoita kubedroom kwa mai Ningi anditi.
I have a question whilst you're there. Do you believe kuti reason yaitirwa Barika kudhara paiwaiona imba yaFrango neani, when you would find women staying together in one homestead, reason yaitirwa Barika kudhara ndiyo here imwe chete ichiri kuitirwa Barika zvemazuva ano?
Ndizozvo.
I want to ask, is it still the same thing?
Ndizozvo ndiyo reason, same reason yangoitirwa Barika ndiyo iri kuitwa izvezvi, asi manje chazosiyana ndechekuti pakaitika inonzi urban migration. You understand? People migrated into the urban areas where there is this modern day style of living. You understand? Saka mudhorobha manje mune mutemo yemo. You understand? Mune zvizhinji zvinoitika zvinova zvinoti vhiringa kuti tisakwanisa kunge tichizosangana pamusha 1 tichigara pamusha 1. Waiza unogona kuona kuti kudhara madzimai aiti aiwa inini handikwanisi kubikira muhari imwe chete yabikirwa namai naNyachide, kana kuti Nyachide achiti yava hosi uya pakati anonzi anoya mutozive
ana mugara aita zita takangoziva kuna vahosi naNyachide, of which Nyachide ndiyo kupedzisira, wepakati uyu hatisi kumuziva kuti anoziva.
But anyway, tiri ipapo. Saka uri kuona kuti vairamba kushandisa poto dzimwe chete. Vairamba kushandisa chisukiso chimwe chete chisaga chemaorenji, because kudhara vaya time mabarika pepe akwakusina kama scrubbing whatever. Vaishandisa zvisaga chemapotero. Anditi vaitoramba kushandisa chinhu chimwe chete. Iko zvino manje madzimai achizvino akuramba kushandisa motikari imwe chete, akuramba kushandisa midziyo imwe chete. Saka it became exaggerated in the urban areas, zvekuti takabva tatoti chero nedzimba tichada kutogara pamwe chete, but unotoona kuti mukomana anenge achitori nevanhu vake 5 muHarare muya umwe ari kuBelvedere, umwe ari kuchitungwiza, umwe ari paMbare. But ungaite a small house Belvedere, Mbare, Chitungwiza. No, it makes sense as because vanhu vava vakanyanya kuzo vanenge vari murange imwe chete, but Belvedere is different. Anyway, so what I'm trying to say is kudhara, it was sort of an issue. There was balance kudhara, and people could stay within close proximity. But iko zvino manje
Tambura futi.
Aiwa, iwe vanhu vaya nemabarika kudhara vaya nemombe. Mombe baba.
Ndogarira mombe.
Okay, there's a statement inotaura, I don't know how best you can then rephrase this. Kuti the way we define wealth has shifted or has changed.
Yeah, that's true.
Back in the day, mombe dzako dzanga dziri wealth, because we're not akutarisa kuti all right, company yako, we evaluate maybe your business that you do. Tataku evaluate a re business remombe instead of the direct product. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say.
Yeah,
vanogara vachikohwa 10 tons anditi dzechibage. Aticha analyze tichitarisa ma quantities, taku analyze tichitarisa how tichitarisa kuti per market how much are you attracting my customers? And then overally, when the year ends, pane munenge mune mari yakawanda sei. Anditi pane ari mubvunzo here? Pane zvandataura?
Mubvunzo wangu ndewokuti You as a person,
as a human being.
ungaita here zvebarika izvo wakazvimirira iwo pachako?
Good question.
Well, it depends. Inini kuita barika nditi. I think pamunororana munofanira kungosiya that room for it to happen, because there are several reasons that cause one to want to turn from being monogamous to becoming a polygamous husband. But I would love to believe, Kuti, when every man gets to marry their first wife, you are marrying somebody with qualities. But then later on, you see, okay, these things, we can't change them. We can't really fix them. Therefore, we need an assistant.
Help.
And then I have a question for NYLAH.
Okay.
NYLAH, you say you don't mind being in a polygamous marriage or relationship, or is it just marriage?
Marriage, not relationship.
Okay. So you know, Kuti, as a woman, you are more emotionally wired than a man.
Okay.
Do you think, Kuti, if you're in a polygamous marriage, your emotions are well catered for? Do you think a man with a lot of women can be emotionally available enough for you?
Wow, what a question. Hey, but I don't know. I think it depends. Because I think the nature piece. Okay.